Lasagna. No, Red, don't kill me. No. He's a pillow. He's a pet. He's a pillow pet. Do-do-do. What? What was that? Hey, Mr. Pillow Pet. Mr. Pillow Pet. Hey, Mr. Pillow Pet. It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a pillow pet. I hate that song. It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a pillow pet. Dude, stop. It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a pillow pet. It's a pillow. It's a pet. A pillow pet. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Oh crap. Ah! Hey, Pillow Pet. Hey, Pillow Pet. Hey, let my friends go. Okay, blow. No, I don't want you to. Said you weren't gonna make. I thought you were gonna make a stew. Fourth part of Heyday in the only episode you did. Good. Yeah, you piece of crap. Yeah, you piece of crap. Yeah, you piece of crap. Now you said me to live there. Dude, you sound like Muscleman. Shut up, you little nerdy bum. What's a pum? I said bum. No, you said pum. Bum. You said bum? No, you did not say bum, you said pum. Well, I'm gonna pummel you in your sleep, like this. Oh, crap. Hey, wait, no, way, take me with you. Okay, the last dance. Let him go. I'll give you Toad. No, I'm sorry, what did I do? I'll give you Toad. I'll give you Toad. Toads are my favorite food. What? No. Everyone run. Uh-oh. What has been done? Potato chips. Bomb. Do what must be done. Potato chips use flamethrower. Potato chips! I'm bleeding to death. Hey, let him rot. Let his corpse rot.